Whether you're an IT professional or a business owner, understanding how to properly set up your network is essential for you to boost security, enhance efficiency, and support your company's growth. So how to configure network settings for your work devices efficiently? Here, I recommend you use the MDM solution AirDroid Business, which allows you to manage network settings on multiple devices at once easily. Let's get started to see how to configure the network settings with AirDroid Business now. First, log into the AirDroid Business Admin Console. Then, go to the Policy and Kiosk section and create a policy file for your Windows devices. After creating the file, find out the network configurations in the Restrictions section. Now you can start to configure the network settings. Here you can restrict Wi-Fi connections, configure Wi-Fi settings, manage cellular data, and more. Finally, you can save the file and apply it to the devices or groups to affect the configurations. There you go. Now you have finished the process of network configuration. Here are some benefits about configuring network for work devices. Firstly, configuring network settings can limit the scope of data transmission and control access permissions to prevent data leaks. Additionally, by setting up separate networks for different devices, a company can optimize internal network allocation and enhance performance. Enhanced network performance leads to greater work efficiency. Moreover, when network issues arise, effective network management can help technicians quickly pinpoint the problem, thereby reducing operational costs. For more information, please visit our official website and have a free trial.